we will multiply the two binomials 3x to the fifth minus 4y to the fifth and 3x to the fifth plus 4y to the fifth. Now if we just step back and see what we have here, we see that we have the product of the difference and the sum of the same two terms. And we have a rule for doing that. If we have a minus b times a plus b, we know that we have a squared minus b squared. Now most of the time you'll see this written the other way around, a plus b times a minus b, but the result is the same. And I wrote it this way because we have the minus sign here and the plus sign here in this particular exercise. In this exercise, a is 3x to the fifth power and b is 4y to the fifth power. So when we multiply 3x to the fifth minus 4y to the fifth and 3x to the fifth plus 4y to the fifth, we get the first term squared, a squared, or 3x to the fifth squared, minus the second term squared, which is 4y to the fifth squared. And carrying out these squaring functions, we have 3x to the fifth squared is 9x to the 10th power, and then we'll have minus 16 times y to the 10th power. So this is the product.